Hi, good morning. Today in this video, I will show the flow of entering the raw material, then showing its inventory valuation. So first, click on reporting and then valuation. You can see here are some products and these are the values of the product and these are the quantity of the products. Here the minus sign shows the scrap products or the delivered products. Stock valuation actually shows us the value of actual stock in the warehouse. So let's create purchase order first. Click on purchase app and then click on new. So here we create the quotation for purchase order. Select the vendor here and then click on add a product and then select the product. Then update the quantity. Here let's say 200 and you can see all the information here and then confirm the order. After confirming the order, you can receive the order from here. Click on receipt. You can check all the information and give the lot number or serial number from here. Click on this generate lot serial lots and then click lot number from here. Let's see, lot number is lot underscore cb underscore 012. Let's say 002 and then click on save. So after this process you can click on validate and then check the inventory valuation. From here you can click on purchase and then reporting and then valuation part that shows the stock valuation. Here you can see first the product quantity is 100 and then we received the product quantity 200 from the lot number 002 and the quantity of product is 200 and total value is 20,000 and remaining value is also this. So let's say we have some scrap orders, then I will move some quantity to scrap to show how entries are being adjusted. Then click on operation and then scrap, then create on a new scrap order. Click on new, select the product from here, chimney bed. How many quantities are scrapped you can write on this. Let's say there are 30 quantities, from which lot you can give here lot number 2. Let's say scrap reason you can give here. If any other reason you can also give that other reason also. Source document is the number of purchase order. We can see from here. First click on this and duplicate this step and then I am checking the purchase order number of the product, that is P00022. Write this number here, P00022. Now validate the scrap order. Now again check the stock valuation. From here you can see the quantity is minus 30 and minus sign shows the scrap orders or the delivered orders, that is scrap orders, and the total value is 3000, remaining value is 0. So here we can check the stock valuation and we can also check that we have received the 200 products and the total value is 20,000. After put the products into the scrap, we can see that the remaining value is 17,000. So let's say By mistake, we processed more quantity in scrap. So let's make the adjustment correct. From here, operations, click on internal transfer, and then click on new. You can check there the source location and the destination location. Source location is the WH stock, but we can change it from WH stock to virtual scrap location. That is the, the destination is WH stock. Okay, write the source document number here. Write here the product name, chimney bag, that is. How many products? 5. And then you can do a mark as to do. Give here the lot number or the serial number. We give the lot number here and save this product and then validate this. Now you can check the well stock valuation again. You can see here the quantity is 5. That means 5 product has been received in the WH stock and the total value is 500. Remaining value is also this. This is the whole process.